You see that when the engine stopped, that comes over and sort of lifts the cam a little bit. But when the engine's going, there's a weight on the end of that swings out and smooths it over.
Yep.
So while the engine's going, the decompression thing isn't working.
Yep.
But while the engine's stopped, it lifts the valve a little bit.
Yep.
Which explains why they're tight.
Yep.
So it may not be a problem.
Yep, very good.
But it's still there. They were a bit tight. They weren't the 5 thou gap that they should have been.
Yeah, well, they weren't even the 4.
No, but it shows that the valves aren't as tight. The exhaust valves aren't as tight as I thought they were.
Inlet.
Inlet, yeah, sorry. So you got the little nick there, which is a little bit above the sealing surface, and on the inlet side the little nick is a fraction below the sealing surface.
Yep.
So we've got to put it back in exactly the same way.
Yep. Very good.
There she goes.
Very good. Very nice.
Okay. That's tied. That's tied.
So you should just be able to lift the cam out now.
Should be able to. There we go. One cam. And there's the 2 points.
Make sure you don't reverse it.
Yep. Yep.
Check out that cam. Yeah, it is a bit thinner than the...
Yeah. Where's your replacement cam?
I've got to bolt all the shit onto it though.
Yeah. It is rounder. Compare the 2 cams.
Yeah, big time. There's a big difference there. Fuck
So you've got a lot more overlap.
Yeah, man. Yep. Very good. So that's the new camshaft with the impeller and bearings and everything all put back together. Decompression, whatever.
Very good. Just got to time it, put those chains together. We've got a new link, and then put the top on it and then do the tappets.
Very good. Right,
Okay, so that's the plate on. Just got to rivet it now. So we just put a smidgen of gasket goo around these surfaces. Put the tappet cover on. And just do these up firm. Very easy to strip these little bolts. There should be a torque setting somewhere, but I don't know what it is. It would be very low torque. Very good. Okay. Everything's nipped up. Beautiful.
What about outside?
I've nipped them up, but I'll double check them. Yep. Yep. Yep.
Very good.
Okay.
Such light threads.
Yeah, they're very easy to strip.
This was a spring. Oh, there we go. Is that it?
Yep. Okay, we'll just remove the top dead centre bolt, which holds the engine at top dead centre while you're replacing the cam. Make sure nothing moves so that the timing is all right when you put the new cam in. This is just a pointed end bolt that just lines up with an indent in the flywheel.
Which is slightly longer.
Slightly longer than the one that was in there. Yep. That's very good.